Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use Zalora Cashback. So first of all, how you can earn cashback. Like you can see here, the amount of earned cashback will depend on which ongoing promotion you are taking part in. Cashback is then calculated from the price of the items after discount code is applied. So here are ways to manage your earnings. So view your available balance to know how much you can redeem on your future purchase. You can see that under my cashback here, and you will see it right here. Okay, get your pending earnings, and then once you are 100% in love with your Zalora items, you can confirm your pending cashback here to get your earnings. This is the picture. Track your cashback history for full details of your past purchases. You can see. So actually, how to use your available cashback is simple. Apply available cashback balance upon checkout. You can choose to use cashback to pay up to 50% of the total item value after discount, not including account credit and shipping fees. So you will see when I zoom in here how this will look like. You can add a coupon and then you will see usable cashback saying here. You toggle it on and this will be here saying earned cashback like $2.70 in this case, and you just go to checkout. So yeah, this is very easy. Cashback validity is depending on the campaign that is currently running. Refunded cashback is for one-time use only. Cashback will not be earned on returned or exchange items. Very important to know. So cashback is only available on Zalora desktop site and mobile app only. So just pick your items, and after you put in the promo code, like you will see you can choose to use cashback to pay up to 50% of the total item value. Very simple. I will also leave this guide in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.